All right, guys, so we're back here on Bluey. We've introduced you guys to the vehicle. We're going to try to get this body taken off and everything else and get it down to a rolling chassis. What we did already is we unbolted the grill here. Half the bolts holding it on broke off when trying to remove it. This is what we're going to be dealing with. Even though this looks in great condition for the body's sake, for the most part, we're still going to be dealing with broken bolts. So we removed this. I just laid it here in place. It gets held on, the radiator and so forth gets held on by the grill. So once you remove the grill bolts on the sides and then down below, then the radiator is going to come off too, because it's a side mounted radiator. My 2A, they mount on two little tangs that are on this cross member here. And if you remove the grill, the radiator is still going to stay there. This is not that way. So we've already removed the radiator. This is unbolted. And today, or for the next little bit, however long it takes us, goal is going to be remove the body and then get it down to a rolling chassis and start from there. So we're trying to get it down to just a frame. In order to get the body loose, there's these little straps down here. Those are toe board gusset straps, goes down to the frame, so we'll have to remove that. We will have to remove the pedals. We're gonna have to remove the steering wheel so that we can kind of get this off. Also, when we got the hose off, inside there, that's a peanut. We've got a peanut inside of the oil bath. It's kind of cool. You have both fenders off now. We've got the grill off and the radiator. So the next thing to do would be to start kind of removing stuff inside the body so that we can get this body off of this and have a rolling chassis.